Good morning to all. Dear students, I hope that you all are keeping fine. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 16, the tense and simple present tense. Introduction. The word tense is derived from Latin word tempus, which means time. A verb indicates the time of an action, event, or condition by changing its form. It is called tense. The meaning of tense. Tenses are the form taken by a verb to show the time of an action or the state of an event. This is called the meaning of tense. There are three tenses, three type of tense. Number one, the present tense. Number two, the past tense. Number three, the future tense. Dear students, come let us see a little bit briefly about the tenses. The forms of a verb changes to express the present, past, or the future. For example, Mark speaks to his sister every day. In this sentence, the verb speaks indicates that it is an action that takes place regularly. Number two, Mark spoke to his sister yesterday. The verb spoke indicates that it is an action that took place earlier. Number three, Mark will speak to his sister tomorrow. Here, the verb will speak indicates that it is an action that will take place later. Dear students, the past tense talks about actions that have already happened. The present tense talks about actions that are going on now. The future tense talks about actions that will take place later. So it is called future tense. Thus, verbs are used to indicate the time when an action takes place. When a verb undergoes such a change, it is said to be in the present tense, past tense, and the future time, respectively. Let us look at the simple present, simple past, and simple future tense forms of a verb to be and to have. This will help us form the other tenses of all the other verbs. For example, we can see here to be. I, you, he, she, we, they. Here, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. These three tenses are given here. Simple present tense, am, or, is, or. Simple past tense, was, where we will use. Simple future tense, only, will be. To have. Here, I, you, first person, second person, third person. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Here, simple present tense, have and has we will use. Simple past tense, only, had. Simple future tense, only, will have we will use. Here, dear students, come let us see little bit briefly about simple present tense. So, what is simple present tense? The simple present tense is one of several forms of present tense in English. It is used to describe habits, unchanging situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. The simple present tense is formed by using the base form of verb I take, you take, we take, they take. The third person singular takes an yes at the end. He takes, she takes. Students, we must remember that we do not use the simple present to talk about actions that are going on in the present. For such actions, we use the present continuous tense. So we should not use the when we are talking. Simple present tense is used in many ways. Number one, to express a habitual actions. For example, he drinks tea every morning. Number two, I get up every day at 5 o'clock. Number three, my watch keeps good time. Here, drinks, get up, watch or simple present tense. Number two, to express general truths. For example, the sun rises in the east. Number two, honey is sweet. Fortune favors the brave. Here, raises honey favors or simple present tense. Number three, in exclamatory sentences beginning with here and there, simple present tense is used to express what is actually taking place in the present. For example, here comes the train. There she goes. Here comes and goes are simple present tense. Number four, to express a future event that is part of your fixed timetable or fixed program. For example, the next flight is at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Number two, the match starts at 9 o'clock. The train leaves at 5:20. Here, dear students, next flight starts, leaves or simple present tense. Students, come let us see little bit about the remembrance of what is the tense and simple present tense. The past tense talks about actions that have already happened. It is called past tense. The present tense talks about actions that are going on now. The future tense talks about actions that will take place later. The simple present tense talks about actions that go on every day. Dear students, I hope that you all are understood what is tense and what is simple present tense. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet next section.